Oh, the wind's blowing the door open. Risking my life for you guys. My goodness. The grass is going to be green tomorrow. All right, I better get inside.
Again, but the threat for Topeka and Shawnee County is now over with. In Osage City, you got some rain, but the threat for tornadoes or severe weather is basically over with. In Emporia, your threat of severe weather is over with for tonight. We could see more severe weather developing tomorrow afternoon and evening. There's actually a higher risk of seeing damaging storms tomorrow, so I don't want to scare anybody. Just make sure you're paying attention to the weather. So rain wrapped in here that once it got into the northwest part of Shawnee County, it was just about impossible to see. So there's your rotation now. McLeod, it's south of you. Lawrence, it's northeast of you. Tonganoxie, it's moving toward Tonganoxie. So once this becomes a Leavenworth County program, we will stop the live continuous coverage on 13.1 on WIBW TV. So folks in the bridge and mass control, I want you to be aware that once this becomes a warning that's over in Leavenworth County, Johnston, over into Wyandotte County, for Olathe and those folks, we will let our sister station KCTV carry it from there. They'll do a great job, of course, but that once it gets over in Leavenworth and into the KC Metro, we'll let it go. If we can continue with the live stream for a while, I'd like to continue that, but we'll let our viewers from WIBW TV 13.1 let them get back over to I'm not sure what's on Wheel of Fortune ended at 7.